Do you want to know how to add or edit a menu in WordPress? Well, this video exactly covers what you are looking for. Make sure to watch it till the end so you don't miss any useful information. So without wasting time, let's dive into it. So this is the website where we will be adding our new menu. As you can see, a default menu is currently showing in the header. Let's go to dashboard and see how we can add a new menu. First of all, you will have to go to appearance and then menus. And here you can see a default menu is created. Let's create a new menu with the name main menu. You can just rewrite this and click create menu. And here the default pages are added. You can, if you want, you can remove these pages and add in your new pages you want. Let's save this menu. So for adding new pages, we will go to pages, and here we will add new pages. Let's say we will add 4 new pages. First is home, publish. I'm just publishing empty pages for now so we can see the menu. Add new page and services, publish. Adding new page by clicking this button again. About us, publish. Adding one more page, contact us, and publishing this as well. Now I'm going back to menu, refreshing this page, and here on the left hand side you can see the 4 new pages have been added. I am clicking all 4 pages and adding it to the menu, reordering it, and here we have added our 4 new pages to the menu. And here at the bottom you will see menu settings. The first option is auto add pages. When you will check this option, it will automatically add all the new pages you have created in the backend to this menu, so it will reduce the manual work and you won't have to add in new pages again and again. If you'll add new page to the backend, it will automatically add it here. So if you want that feature, you can check this option and save the menu again. And so the second option is display location. So here the theme has created some display location for the menu. For this theme, in this case we just have primary navigation, but for other themes it may have more than one locations, like primary navigation, secondary navigation, and all that. So right, so you want to select which one you want to display your menu, and you can check that option and click save changes. In this case I'm clicking in this case I'm checking this primary navigation because I want to display it on the header, and I'm saving it. And let's see if it works or not. Refreshing the page again, and yeah, our menu has been updated. Like this, you can also add different posts if you want. You can also add maybe some custom links, like for example, sometimes when we need to add in some external links, we can use this option to add that. For that, we'll just have to type in URL here. Let's say we are linking google.com here, and click here, and let's add it to the menu. And I'm saving the menu again, refreshing the front end, and you can see the custom link is also added here. All right, like this we can also add in some categories, or maybe different items here. Or if you want to open the links in the new tab, you can also do that. For that, you'll have to go to screen options here on the top right side, and here some options are unchecked, and these are some advanced options that doesn't show every time. So you will have to click this, the link target, and it will open up one more option here. You'll have to click this arrow, and it will add in and it will add in an option, open link in a new tab. So if you want to open links in new tab, you'll have to first check this link target from screen options, and then check this individually, the links that you want to open in a new tab, and you can save the menu again. And let's see how it works. Refreshing the page, and now I'm clicking this button, and you can see a new tab is opened with the custom link we added. Like this, you can add in new menus, and you can also edit your existing menus. Let me know how was this video for you, and if you want to learn more about WordPress, I've created a complete playlist. You can find the link on the top right side of this video. Make sure to watch that. So don't forget to subscribe, as I'll be posting more valuable content to this channel, and I'll be adding more detailed courses in WordPress. So make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.